Hey everyone, you're with Tesla Tom. Thanks so much for joining us on Ludicrous Feed. I would like to run through my latest electricity bill, which I received today. Quick reminder, I live in Sydney, Australia. This picture was actually taken in Las Vegas, where I had a chance to sit in the Tesla Model 3. I made a video. If you haven't seen that, check it out. I'll provide a link above. I live with my beautiful family of 4. This electricity bill covers the period between February and November, which is our summer in Australia. I ran my pool pump 6 hours per day. And this is the final electricity bill using a 3 kilowatt solar array on my roof. I now have an 8.4 kilowatt array installed earlier this month in March. I also have a PowerWall2, which is 13.5 kilowatt hour capacity. This is a summary of the electricity bill. 15 November 2018 to 12 February 2019, 90 days over summer. The bill is telling me that my house used 352 kilowatt hours overall, which makes my usage less than a one-person equivalent household in this area of Sydney. I used an average of $2.56 per day, which was 3.92 kilowatt hours per day on average. Last year, 9.83 kilowatt hours, apparently. I'm not really sure what happened there. I don't know why it's so high. I think there was a problem with the meter, which was sorted out halfway through last year's bill at the same time. My bill came to $214.60 after discounts, and I'll go through that very shortly. Right, let's run through my usage. The first 4 lines are the time of use patterns in my household. Importantly, I only used 10 kilowatt hours of peak electricity at a stupidly high rate of 53.9 cents over 90 days. Why is it so high, you ask? Well, I do that because I've got a PowerWall2, and it does cover almost all of my peak usage over my electricity bill, so that I can take advantage of the 15 cents of peak tariff, which I used 136 kilowatts worth of. Shoulder 49 kilowatt hours, which is the rest of the time. Controlled load 2, which is what the hot water used to be on. Again, I made a video where I came to the conclusion that I really shouldn't be paying for this because I didn't hook up the hot water up to my solar system, which meant that I still had to pay a tariff for that. So my next bill should reflect basically 0 usage of controlled load 2. But for this bill, I paid $26 worth of hot water, which should be 0 next time. Supply charge 90 days, 96 cents each day, $86.40. Electric car charge, which is a special deal I've got with my power company where I pay $1 per day and I can charge as much as I want, which is a legacy deal, no longer available, unfortunately, for electric car users. So that's $81.82 before tax. And I received $25 worth of feed-in tariff for my solar. There was an excess of 227 kilowatt hours, which should be more for the next bill, like I said, because I've got a bigger array now on my roof, totaling 8.4 kilowatts. And I'll receive a discount if I pay by my due date, $14.04. I think it's something like 20% discount or something if I pay on time, and that only applies to the tariff and not the supply charge or the electric car charge. So if I pay on time, $214.60. Alright guys, well that's a summary of my power bill for this quarter. This is the last electricity bill, like I said, for my 3 kilowatt system. The next bill should look a bit better with an 8.4 kilowatt system, which I'm actually looking forward to in 3 months' time. Yes, I can't believe I'm actually saying this. I'm excited to receive a power bill. But for now, $214.60 over 90 days of summer. That's the story of my 3 kilowatt system and PowerWall2. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for supporting Ludicrous Feed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Looking forward to hearing from you. Take care of yourselves, and as always, happy charging. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of the energy revolution. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. Happy charging!